Hey there, thanks for downloading Tattoo Studio. I'm going to take a few minutes here and walk you through the initial setup so that you can get up and running as quickly as possible. So once you've registered, you'll be brought directly to the settings page. This is essentially the administration console. So you'll have a couple of items here that you're going to want to set up before using the app to create release forms. The first one is the studio settings. It's the top of the list here. So you've got the studio settings, you've got tattoo legal settings, piercing legal settings, account management, and then these gold buttons and links at the bottom here will take you out of the app and to the website. So if we enter studio settings, you'll get a warning. This is only on first use. Once you fill this out, this warning will go away. So essentially it says studio settings must be completed before use. And that's what we're going to do now. So what you want to do is you want to fill out all of the information here with your studio's settings. And this is the information that will be visible on the top of each release form. Once you have your studio information filled in here, you can also add your own logo. We have a default logo here, which is the Tattoo Studio logo. If you tap Add Your Logo, you will be taken to your camera roll or your files. You can add any logo you want. You can also tap Reset to Default, and it'll remove whatever you've added and put the default back. And this is the logo that will appear on the new customer page. So this is what your customers will see. Once you've got your logo in there, you can add staff members. So you would just type in the staff name, tap Add, added successfully, add, there we go. Then you have a staff list here, and you'll see your entire staff in that list. And if you need to delete someone from the list, you just select them from the staff list and then tap Delete Staff, and the staff member is removed. This next section here is the passcode. This is actually quite important. There's a default passcode, which is 123456 for both admin and staff, but it is highly recommended that you change these passcodes, because there is a passcode reminder on each passcode entry. So if you leave the default passcode, anybody's going to be able to get into your settings here. So especially with the admin passcode, because this is your account. This will get anyone into these settings as well as account management and other settings. So you want to set a new passcode here. I'm just going to type zeros for now, but you should type your own unique passcode there. Staff passcode, this is going to be a shared passcode for anybody working in your shop that's going to be able to use that to access customer lookups and be able to enter staff only information on the form. So set something that's appropriate here that you can share with your entire staff. Tap Save, and everything is saved. And now you are ready to go. Let's go to New Form, and there you go. Your logo's in place, and you're ready for a new customer. The next thing we're going to cover quickly is the editable text for your tattoo and piercing legal settings. Now it's the same for both, so I'm just going to walk you through one of these here. Tap on Tattoo Legal, and we are brought to the text entry for the tattoo legal settings. So we've got some boilerplate in here, but it's a really good idea to use your own legal copy. Each jurisdiction is going to have different rules and regulations, so make sure that you have the legal copy that's appropriate to where you work entered in this field. The easiest thing to do is to copy and paste. So I've just got some dummy text here that I've got copied into the clipboard. I'm just going to select all of what's there, delete it, and just paste in the text that I have entered there, and then I'll hit save. And if we were to go through and create a form now, you would see that this text would appear in the PDF document. And you can also reset it to default. So I'll just tap Reset to Default, take it back to what it was previously, and you can always get back to this. This is just some boilerplate, and it's pretty standard stuff. And then the last settings button here is Manage Your Account. And what you can do here is, if you want to update your password, change your email address, anything like that, what you would do is at the top here you would enter your current account email address and password, and then you can update your email address, change your email address in that field, or update your password as well. Also at the bottom of the page here under account management, if your subscription is canceled for whatever reason and you want to get back in and renew, this is where you would do that. So you wouldn't have to renew at the main page. You could still log in with your existing account. So once you have an account, it's a lifetime account. So the forms that you create will always be yours. They'll always be accessible to you, but you just won't be able to create new forms unless you have an active subscription. So if you need to update that subscription, you would just come into account management and tap on that, and then you could choose your subscription. And that's it for the settings. Once you're done setting up your settings, if you tap New Form, and you see that your logo is, the logo that you uploaded in the settings is there and ready for you, and your customers will never see the Tattoo Studio logos, in other words, our branding. They'll only see your logo. So that's a nice little bonus. Thanks for watching. Hope you get set up quickly, and let us know if you have any questions. You can always get in touch with us at support@tatstudio.app. Thank you.